to do is you can grab any one of these ignition wires. We're going to start with the far end here. I'm going to go ahead and pull up that boot, pull it up and out, and then pull it off of the ignition coil by twisting it and pulling upward. Now what you want to do is take that existing boot or wire and match it up to the 4 that you have. Find the one that's the closest lengthwise. We have a couple long ones here, so let's eliminate the short ones. It's probably going to be the longest one. I'm going to take the new boot. I'm going to grab some of our silicone paste here, put a little bit on the inside here, put some around this here. Good, line that up, push it down. Feel it'll snap on to the spark plug wire. Take a little bit of that silicone paste, put a little bit on the inside here. Line that up on the ignition coil, snap it into place. We're just going to tuck that wire aside. Now I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same for the other 3. Okay. Let's go ahead and route our wires here.